Hi guys. So I'm back with, and I was gonna do the my daughter's laughing at me, so I gotta start over.
Oh.
My daughter's recording me at the same
No,
time.
you're not supposed to do that. No, restart your video. I'm not ready.
Can I go? Why am I getting recorded on two videos?
Okay, go.
Hey guys, it's me, Mick. I'm back. I'm going to do my unboxing for the Lindey Glenn flash sale she did when she was hashtag decluttering her basement. And, yeah. So this is a reseller box. It's women's and juniors, new with tag, mixed lot, and it's $10 for 5 pounds. This here is the box. So my daughter over here is going to open and hand me things. I think she wants first dibs on anything she likes. And we will show you guys what we got. The box did pretty much weigh 5 pounds. So, way to go there. And here we go. Now she's going to open.
Because that's not what happened here, folks.
Do you need help?
No.
Maybe she's going to open it. That's not how you do that. I should be recording this.
You turned it open this box.
Watch you don't cut nothing in there.
That was fun.
Muscles! Alright, and then don't do anything because I'm going to also show them. Alright, so here's the box. This is exactly what we seen when we opened it. Alright, and now the show. Okay, so the first item is, it's black. It is Charter Club size medium. Looks like it's a black dress. See, it feels, it's got like a texture to it. I think it's about knee length. It's cute though. It kind of flares at the bottom. It's got like the little, let me show you, the little, yeah, at the bottom. Don't mind my dog. He wants to see too. We got this, if you can see this little, yeah, this right here at the waist. So yeah, it's a cute little black dress. It's the little black dress, right? I think that's better. Okay. Now the next one is, it's floral. Nice, soft, silky type texture to it. And this is a American rag. Entry Q. I don't know what that word is. I don't know if you guys, yeah. Anyways, this is this. It's got the built-in padding. Cute little dress. Be a little short one, but it's cute. It's got this on the back side. It's netting. Spaghetti straps. They're adjustable. And it's a small. I don't remember if I said if it was a small. Oh, this goes all the way down the back. Yeah, look at that. That netting goes all the way down that back there. That's cute. So, yeah. This is really cute. Too bad I don't wear a small. Okay. And then next is, okay, let's see. This is Charter Club, size 16, so it's a plus size. It's 100% cotton. Very cute design. See that? It has very cute design. There's the tag. The skirt, about knee length, I'd say. It kind of goes flary a little bit down here. It has a side zipper. And it's, let's see, is it Oh yeah, it's layered. Really cute. Nice piece. So far, so good. I already think I'll get my money back. Then we have some jeans. They are Talia Saudi. I don't know. They're also plus size 18. They're skinny leg. There's that. That's that one. I don't know if you prefer. Got some print on the leg here. Actually, it's on both. And then also on the back pocket. The button here has a heart. That's cute. And these are white skinny leg jeans. Okay. Okay. Now we have, let's see, little green shirt, I think. Yes. Crepe Fame by Almost Famous. And it's a large. It's got the rounded bottom. Really good with like a pair of black leggings. Got this design right here at the V. And it's really cute and lightweight and flimsy and flowy and airy and all that good stuff. Okay. See, we got Energy. This is a size extra small. Yes, this is a tiny little thing. I need two, I think. Long sleeve, just a simple top. Red, good color for the holiday season that we are in. And then last but not least, these are cute. Tommy Hilfiger. 4-way stretch compression. Interior runner's pocket. Oh, we got an interior pocket. Reinforced, reflecting. So, Tommy Hilfiger, and this is size extra large. Leggings. I might have to, Oh, and there's, okay. Alright, it's Tommy Hilfiger right there, right? And then the pocket. Right here's a pocket. I don't know if you can see that. And then this is them. They're short. They're not full length pants. And then this is, you know, like the netting. But they're cute. I like these. I might have to steal these ones. I don't know. We got this little on the leg there. You got the design there. So these are cute too. I'll definitely make my money's worth. Yeah, kind of wish maybe I'd have grabbed two. Okay, so let's see. We got how many pieces? There's 3. Oh, that ain't fitting back in there. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6 and 7. 7 pieces. This box was stuffed, let me tell you. Good thing she reinforced it with tape because, yeah, that's pretty full. So 7 pieces. It was $10 for 5 pounds, women's, juniors, mixed up a lot. I got quite a bit of plus size. What, 2, 3? 2 or 3. And as all the resellers know, plus size is a really good item to have. It sells pretty fast. And we got some cute items. We got, I don't know, I think everything in here is good. It sells. None of it is junk. This is a really good box. Would I buy it again? For sure. I wish I would have gotten 2 or 3 or just more. But I'm very happy with my box. I knew I would be. I imagine all her boxes are good. I don't know if anybody else is doing any reviews. If they are, if you could leave a comment and let me know. I'd like to just watch, just out of curiosity, to see what, you know, other people got. And if you have any questions or comments, please just feel free to leave them below. And if you like the video, if you can give me a thumbs up, that'd be awesome. You can subscribe and ring the bell to be notified whenever my videos do go up. And I think I might have did this backwards. Might be subscribe and then bell, because I think it twists or something. Okay, anyways, I think I'm out of here, guys. I gotta go make some dinner, and I will talk to you next time. Bye-bye now.